everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here. I just wanted to show off these Oufer Body Jewelry septum piercings. There's a whole bunch here. I just wanted to unbox them so it's easier to film, so I thought I'd film this first. Because there's a gift on every single one. Like, look at all of these. There's this bee one, this like, oh, Medusa-y cute one, but also look, free gift. There's a gift in this one. See, down there, free gift. Look at this bee one. Free gift. And this bat one, hello Halloween, free gift. Swan, free gift. This, yes, free gift. And then look, that one there, so stunning, free gift. I want to unbox these so you guys can see what they look out of the packaging, but they don't show up very good on camera, so I'm just going to open this one. I'm almost one-handed, y'all, so it's hard to squeeze it out. Just look at what these little packages come with. So it comes with your initial package like that. This one is so pretty. I cannot wait to try this on. It's so nice. And then it comes with a little card here, which lets you join up to the Facebook group so you can save 50% off. And it's also got the gauges on the side, like all the measurements, so you can see what measurement you need. And then also the gift. Look at that. All right, I'm going to unbox all these and I'm going to put them all on my face because these are stunning. Yes. All right, so I've laid everything out. This is all the packaging that it was in. Look at all of these free gifts, and they're all different as well. There's only 3 double ups, but all the rest are different. Like, look how cool that one is. Like, these are so freaking wicked, but look at them all. Yes. I cannot wait to get these into my freaking face. These are all 16 gauge, and they're so freaking adorable. Yes. Hey, so here are all the septums here. There was a really weird like, hey. Sorry I filmed so weird before. I just wanted to show off all of them. There are so many septums here. They are so pretty. I've literally got a wee table in front of me so I can hold them up. And all of these gifts one as well. So what do we have? We have 3 of these horseshoe ones. So can you see the horseshoe? 3 of these horseshoe ones. So we'll kind of put them to the side. Maybe if I put this down like this. Yeah, now we can see what I'm doing. All right, so I've got 3 horseshoes. Put all these out of the way here. We've got 3 horseshoes here. Then we've got a clear horseshoe, which is real pretty, like a clear white retainer. Then we've got a black one, and this like multicolored one. I'm going to take them out of the bags. What am I even doing? All right, I'm going to start off with the gifts because those are free, and bitches, we love free. We love free here, so get that one out of the way. Oh, it's so shiny. So that's what it looks like here. Just like a little simple septum. Really cute. Alright, so I'll put her here. And we've got another one that's the same. So we might keep those in the bag. They're exactly the same there. So let's see what that one looks like. We're just gonna go and pull this one out. Alrighty, had to change the angle here because what we're gonna do is we're gonna try on all of these. So this one's just an easy twist out. Just like that. Septum is out. Alright, and then I'm gonna unscrew one of these balls. At least I have short nails. When I've got long nails, putting like little septums and stuff in is so frustrating. I'm like, hang on, this ball is a bit tight. Alrighty, so I'm just unscrewing the little ball so I can pop it through my face. Now, I do like just the normal horseshoes. I think the normal horseshoes are classic. They're cute. They're nice. Alright, I'm just gonna connect it. See, this is the bit that's hard. Like, the ones that have balls and stuff, to connect them when you've got long nails is really hard. So having short nails when you do this is literally going to save you some. So literally, I would recommend if you're struggling with the little things, it's because your nails are too long. That's probably why. So meet the ball up, screw onto your face. Real easy to put on. See? Cute little horseshoe. Horseshoes are mega cute. They're adorable. I think they're super sweet. Real easy to put in. And you can hook them up into your face as if you've got nothing there. So that's what I really like about the horseshoes. So it's good that they've given so many as a gift because horseshoes are always good to have. I'm forever literally dropping the balls and losing them. So it's awesome to have one that, you know, all these backups because I have so many just the horseshoes without the balls because I've just dropped them all. So I'm excited to try this one, which is the clear retainer one as well. I feel like it's going to be a long video, but if you guys love septums, Oufer Jewelry, hello, they have so many. Can't open these little bags for the life of me. Right. Where are we? So I've got a clear retainer. Oh, this one's like squishy. Look at that. That's like a squishy one. That's real cute. Alright. Oh, don't want to lose that ball. Alright. So this one would be good for, I just want to go in. She's a thicker one, this one. Alright, that one I don't think is actually going to squeeze into my face. Might not. Oh, no, it did. Here we go. This one's a little bit bigger, this one here, but because it is stretchy, it'd be good for if you find that the middle ones you've got to twist a lot to actually bend back into your face. So with this one already being stretchy, it's going to bend back into your nose really easily. So, but you could just wear it like styly like that, but it would be good for, see, I think that's cute just like that, but it'd be good for, see how stretchy it is? It can just stretch in. And you don't need to worry about it like hurting because it's just going to adapt to your nose. It's just a nice kind of squishy one. That's real cool though, like just a nice little retainer that you can put in. But that's what it looks like there. Alright, let's pull this one out. Sorry if you guys are triggered by me pulling these out of my nose, but I just want to show you the ease of how they actually come out in real time as well. So, screw that ball back on because we do not want to lose her. And then we've got this one. This one is mega cute as well. These bags, honestly, you'd think I just didn't know how to life. But this one here is super cute as well. It's kind of one of the ones that are like painted. It's just really adorable. And with the spiky little ends. That's really cute too. This is a super thin one as well. That one went real easily into my nose too. So we love that. We love that vibe. And I think all of the ones they've given me on a, most of them are just clickers, but a lot of them are the twisties. So yeah, really happy that I have short nails this time. Alright, that's what that one looks like there. That one's like bad bitch vibes. Like, she's here, she's ready to slay. Like, we love that. I really like that one. That one's cute. I mean, the other ones are really cute, but they are just simple ones. This is like kind of your bouge, like bouge-tastic ones. Like, get out of my face, please. Do you guys ever have when you have a septum in your face and you can't get it out? And then it's just that like internal panic of just the stress of like trying to get this piercing out of your freaking face. Hang on, I do have it. I just don't want to lose the thing. There we go. Like, it's just the stress of like, oh, that's what I've had with some clickers in the past, and I'm just like scared to wear them ever again, because what if they get trapped on my face forever and I literally can't get them off? Alright, screw that one back in. And then we have the circular ones. So I'm excited for these. There's a black and a silver. So I don't know if I need to try both of those kinds in for you guys. Oh, no, fuck, I will. I will. This video is just going to be super long. You hear me rambling about septums for my whole life. Ripping open these bags. So these ones, I think you just pull twist it off. Just like that. And then, I might not work with my nose because my septum's quite high up. Usually with these types I have to bend them, but we will see. Oh, no, they went through real easy. See? Real easy. These ones are real easy. I don't normally go for black though. So let's see. And then the ball just literally clicks back in. Like somehow. Knew I was going to drop that. These ones are a little bit more tricky. Because you've got to like line the ball, like, because on either side there's a little bit and you just got to line it up and then shove it in your face. Literally my whole life. Just oh my god. Come here. These are like not my preferred septums, just because they are quite fiddly as well. So I do like the screw ones or the clip ones, because these ones just tend to piss me off or I lose the ball like that. Alright, so I lost the ball. I can't find it. But if we twist this around, we've just got a normal black one in our face now. So that's cute. That's actually really nice, the little black one. I'm going to find that ball later. I'm going to try find it now, because it's right, I found it. I'm just going to click this back in, because these ones are a bit more fiddlier for the face. I'm not going to try the silver one, because I think I'm just going to lose the ball again. Yeah, there we go. These ones you kind of have to loosen a little bit, but that's right. Right, let's get on to the main event anyway, because I'm excited to jump into these. So what do we have here? We've got this with the 3, look at that, the 3 diamonds. The bat, this is also a clicker. Then we've got, this is like another kind of witchy design. I love that one. That's a clicker as well. And the last clicker is this one. That's a swan. So I think I'm going to try these ones first. Let's try the swan one since she's in our hand. I'm excited. These little containers are so freaking cute for them too. Oh my god. Alright, I'm excited. Alright. So that's the clicker there with the little swan. And you can actually, it looks like you can take it off as well. But that's the swan clicker there. It's adorable. Alright. I've got to bend it in my face to click it in. Oh my gosh. Okay, click it. Click it. Alright, that is in. See, that looks really cute. Like a nice little swan moment, like swan like going to the ballet. That's a really cute one. That's a cute one. I like that. I like that. Alright. I'm going to pull this out. Click it back into shape and pop her over here. And then we've got another one. This one is so cute. Alright, I'm excited for this. There we go. I'm just going to click it and unclick it just to get it used to the clicks. There we go. Right, put this through my face. There we go. Click up in there. Come on, click, 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 click. Make it click. I'm just like, gotta go on my nose for a minute. There we go. Just clicked now. That one is nice. That one is very my vibe. I really like that. Oh, I really like that. It's nice. It's still cute and still big enough to like make a statement, but that's like really cute. What do you guys think? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. Yeah. Right, that one was a little bit harder to get out, that one there. But that's that one there. That one's so pretty. Alright, get on to the next one. This is the bat. This is so cute. Alright. Yeah. I'm literally struggling to open the freaking packets at this point. Get some tweezers out. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Alrighty, so let's put the bat in. There we go. Alright, that one's in there. That is so cute for Halloween. Like, that's just a spooky dookie. Like, look at that. Like, she's spooky. That's cute. I freaking love that. I love when I talk it like my lip light hits up. That's super cute. So that is the bat one. That's adorable. Alright, now we're going to go on to the next one. It's another clicker as well. So this is the last one of the clickers. And they've got 3 more of the non-clickers. This is just like, can't even open it. These are really, it's really good packaging when you can't open it though. Like, you can't go wrong. This one is so freaking cute. Like, look. The diamantes, just stunning. Oh, this is going to be an easy click too, I feel like. Perfect. That one is probably one of my favorite ones. I really like that one. I like the simplicity. It's little hearts. I've just realized it's little hearts. Look at that. There's little hearts. From far away you can't tell those are little hearts, but that is little hearts. That is adorable. I feel like it's a nice little bit of glam. Nice statement piece. Alright, so I've got 3 left. I'm going to leave the B ones for last. And I'm going to do this kind of, what one is this one? This is like a purple star and moon. This is really cute, this one. I'm just trying to work out how it comes off. A little bit tricky, this one. I think that one's the one that comes off, maybe. That one unscrews. So I was trying to work out, like, which one does. Oh, there we go. The star unscrews on that one. So it goes up like that. This one's really cute. I know I'm really going to like the bees. That's why I want to try them on last, because I want to actually leave one in my face. This one reminds me of that jewelry you used to wear those fake earrings. You know those little stick-on ones? As a kid. It's like that little 90s nostalgia that we've got there. Alright, that one was really easy to put in. That one's really cute. Nice kind of witchy vibes. You've got the sun. No, sorry. The stars and the moon. That one's really cute. If you like purple, that's a really good one for you too. Eee, that one's really cute. Johnny, don't leave me. Alright, so we're taking this one off now. Having a little unspin. I really do like this one. I think this one's really cute. And they will have other colours as well, not just the purple. Oh! I'm such a clutterfingers. Why am I doing this while I have a shag rug? Oh, the other ball I lost before. There we go. See? Now I've just got to find the other one that I've lost. That's the only thing with having a rug underneath when you're filming, is if you drop stuff, but it's gone. But I found it. So, just screwing it back on. See? I found it. It's connected. Don't worry. And I found the other ball that I lost before. So that's good too. I'm excited for the last ones here. Oh my gosh, this is so many septum piercings as well. I'm literally going to be sorted for life, so I'm so excited. Alright, so we've got the last B one. No, the second, no, the silver B one. We've got the silver and the other one is gold with a honeycomb. This one is, come on. I want to get you out. You're so freaking cute. This one is so adorable. It's a little bee and a flower. Like, look how freaking cute that is. A bee and a flower. you cannot go wrong. That is adorable. Alright, which one unscrews? I think both of these look like they unscrew. The flower was the victim to come off tonight. So let's see. Oh my god, this is going to be so cute. The little bee. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love bees, literally. I have a bee tattooed on my arm. Like, I love bees. So, like, this is way up my alley with the kind of septums that I'm going to like and enjoy. So I'm so excited that there's bee stuff in there because they posted a whole bunch of bee stuff and I was like, please, I want a bee, I want a bee, I want a bee. And I have a bee and a flower. That is so cute. I feel like you could literally wear this every day with no makeup on and people would be like, that's the cutest septum ever. And you're like, yes, bitch, I know. And that's it. That's the bee. That's adorable. Yes, I'm excited for the gold. This one is so cute though. I literally want to wear it all the time. Like, this is adorable. This is my favorite one so far. We'll see if the gold goes, but this is my favorite. Literally, my camera is about to die, so I have to hurry with this one. Like, get out of my face, quick. I'm so excited leaving the gold one. Oh god, don't drop it now. Don't drop it now. Come on, Cerise, we can do this. Alright, so this video must be very long if my camera is about to die, so we love that, but that's that one. Super cute. Love that. My fave so far. Let's pull out this gold one, honey. This is... Oh, I love gold. It's so hard to get gold septums as well. Everything is just silver, but you can't go wrong with silver. But this one, look how freaking cute that is. That is so freaking adorable. I'm just like, oh, I love, I love, I love. So let's pull it off and let's see how it looks on the face. Oh my god, this one's so precious. I can't cope. How cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, I love this. I love, okay, this is my favorite. This is adorable. This is freaking cute. Genius. Iconic. Like, oh, how does this side go on now? I don't even know. But this is the one I'm leaving in forever. This is so freaking cute. I don't know how to put it back on my face. Come on, I want to see the final product. Oh my god. This is so freaking cute. I can't. With the little honeycomb. Because it's got a wee honeycomb on it. Okay. Let's twist it back around. Alright. Let's look at it. Oh my god, that is perfect. Look at this. Look at the honeycomb. Oh my god, I love it. It doesn't twist around anymore. That is the cutest septum I've ever seen in my life. I love this. I'm obsessed. This is perfection. This septum. That's it. I've achieved all septum looks. This is the one you need to buy. If you guys don't sleep on freaking Oufer Body Jewelry, do not sleep on them because look how cute and iconic these septums are. Like, mwah, mwah. And honestly guys, these are the cutest septums. There are so many and you get a gift. Like, you cannot go wrong. I think I was lucky with the amount of gifts that I got with all of those, but these are so cute. Thank you so much Oufer Jewelry for sending these to me. I'm obsessed with septum piercings, and to show off your personality with having a bright colored septum, it's the center of your face. It's nice showing something cute, and I love this one because of the gold, the elegance, the diamantes, the bees, the message behind it. Mwah. Amazing. Amazing. So you want to go to Oufer Body Jewelry. It's 100% safe. It is a really amazing company. I have worked with them before, and I have a lot of their industrials and everything like that. Their Traeger's piercings, like I think I'm wearing a few of them now, and they are just amazing. Obsessed. So yeah, share your selfies on Instagram, Facebook for a chance to win 100% off your order. Yeah, don't forget to tag us in the post, but Oufer Body Jewelry, you're amazing. These are amazing, guys. The packaging alone, these would make amazing gifts. These would just be good for yourself. But don't forget to go check them out. They are in the link down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. What was your favorite septum? This is mine. I'm going to leave this in. This is it. This is the one for me forever now. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye, bye, bye.